So this calamansi is going to sell. If you see that, it's already protein. See the fruit there? It's hard to see this one, maybe. You can see the fruit, but it's hard. Here, there's more here. See? It's protein. So this is for sale. 200. How much you sell this, honey? 220 in your
advertised, but sold it for
220 advertised, but someone's already contacted you. He's gonna buy for $200. So I hope today is going to pick up.
leaving home.
It's going to pick up today. Hopefully. It's alright. If not, it's still alright because we love plants. Someone asked this morning too.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But yeah, so this one we already post in the public media, I mean Facebook, and then someone's contacting us and they want to buy this big tree calamansi. Is already protein. So yes, wow, look at this. This one is my tambis. Look at my guava, so yellow now there. See my guava? Ooh, big one. Honey, you want guava? I'm gonna pick my guava. This one, it's hard to say. I hope I can see it. Oh, it's already. Come on. See that? I don't know where my camera is. So that's the guava. I think there is more here. Ripe already.
Have you read my answer when you got
No, there's more there. Oh, up there. It's yellow too.
Yes.
And there is more. There. Oh. Hiding. Oh gosh, this one. Yeah, that one hiding. It's more, so it's more ripe here now. But sometimes it's just falling on the ground. Just like that. There's lots. Normally this is lots before, but we already eating. Oh, honey. There's more there if you like.
No, just one.
Huh?
Maybe another one tomorrow.
Yeah, there. Oh, it's already yellow here. See that, guys? So, my husband
What do you
said
think? 100 fruits?
tomorrow. Where is it? Yeah, the big one there. See? It's also yellow now. Big one. More bigger than the other.
It's close to 100 fruits. I think.
Yellow. Ah, this one?
Yeah.
100 pieces? Yeah.
I think 100 pieces roughly.
There's more there. Oh my god, there's more yellow there. So, tomorrow you should eat that.
Well, look inside.
So this is big guava. Look, but you know what we're doing? I just wash the seeds, and look at this. After, look, guava seeds. That's my seedlings. My hobbies. What's it called? Experiment. A guava. Guava, guys. Soon we have a lot
I'll
of
put it back.
guava.
I'll put the lid back.
Just okay, leave it for now like
Break
that.
For a minute, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, from the mother, look at lots of kids now. So yes, keep going our life.
Circle of life.
And wait a minute. Oh, look at my chili. It's very pretty. I will show you to my what is it called? Show you my peanut. Look at my peanut. Yay. But I try here first. I just try if really work or not. But yeah, it works. So maybe I clean up somewhere there. I clean up that there, and then I plant more peanut because this coming winter I don't think so it's good. So when it's spring or after spring, maybe I plant lots of peanut. So yeah, I will show you to my what is it, jackfruit. Wait guys, I'll show you my jackfruit. Oh, look at this eggplant. This is the eggplant I'm talking about. I need to plant, I need to separate them because I just spread there, and look at that. I just spread the seeds there, and then look, lots of eggplant I need to plant. I don't know where I can plant that. There's lots of space there, but I don't want to plant there because they so far from the hose to give the water. So this is what I'm talking about. Look at our jackfruit also. We buy the jackfruit in the market, whole jackfruit. If you see that video, I don't think so I post the video yet. So the jackfruit we buy to the market, and after that I plant the seeds. Look at the seeds, lots of seeds growing, guys. So this maybe 3 more months I will put this separately in the pot, and also I'm waiting. These leaves is getting more, so if there is more leaves coming, and then I'm gonna sell it for $8, $10 each, because I don't want to wait for long. So I just don't want to look after more long time, so more water to use. So it's up to the people who want to buy this, but I'm sure there's lots of people want to buy because it's very cheap. You know, we have a jackfruit there. If you see the big jackfruit there, we buy that for $65, but until now it's good. I start protein, but the fruit is full and maybe it's not ready yet, so at least we know it's protein. And this one is the rambutan, but the grasshoppers keep eating the leaves, so the leaves is all gone. And also more here, the rambutan. At least I have 3 rambutan alive. And this one I have also lanzones. We buy the lanzones, and I'm lucky I have 3 pieces of lanzones seeds. I buy 1 kilo of lanzones, but only 2 alive, but 5 only I have from 1 kilo, and then I have only 5 pieces seeds. So I'm lucky I have 2 going now. This one, oh, and that one, this one. So yeah, lots of malunggay. I plant lots of malunggay here, guys, so you know, malunggay, so I can make more powder. This is a pomegranate. Yeah, we have lots of pomegranate here, but only me love to eat this, but lots. I cannot eat them all because so much. See that? Lots. And then yeah, I plant more malunggay there. See that malunggay? So yes, this is for today, guys. And also I cut the malunggay. I cut the malunggay from the branch. Now is going alive. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, guys, and say subscribe, and see you next time. So I don't know what is the next, but I hope you subscribe so you can see what is the next video is coming. Thank you.